Welcome students. I am Ms. Frida Pereira, Assistant Professor, Carmel College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nuwe Goa. Program: Bachelor's of Science, second year, subject Botany, semester 4, course code BOS 102, course title Herbal Technology. The title of the unit is Phytochemical Analysis. Module name: Histochemical Tests for Screening of Phytoconstituents in Natural Drugs, that is alkaloids and flavonoids. The outline of this module is Introduction to Alkaloids and Flavonoids, Histochemical Tests for Screening of Alkaloids in Natural Drugs, Histochemical Test for Screening of Flavonoids in Natural Drugs. The learning outcomes of this module are: student recalls the concept of alkaloids and flavonoids. The student explains the histochemical tests for screening of alkaloids and flavonoids in natural drugs. In this module, we'll be learning about the various tests that are used to detect the alkaloids and flavonoids in the natural drugs that are available. Now, coming to the introduction about alkaloids. The word alkaloid is derived from the term alkali-like and was used originally to describe a group of bases of botanical origin. Alkaloids are a complex heterogeneous group of compounds and comprises the most important class of natural products. They produce a wide variety of therapeutic effects and naturally occur in plants and animals. Alkaloids also constitute the largest group of phytoconstituents, as over 6,500 alkaloids has been known so far. They occur mostly in the plants of families like Apocynaceae, Leguminosae, Papaver, Ranunculaceae, Rubiaceae and Solanaceae, and among monocotyledons in Liliaceae and Amaryllidaceae. In plants, alkaloids are found in various parts, as in seeds, then in leaves, in roots, in rhizome and roots, in corms, and in barks. In pharmaceutical preparations, alkaloids are always present in the form of salts, either as solids or in solution. Flavonoids are structurally derived from the parent substance, flavonoids, with glucose side chains and are called as glucoflavonoids or glucosides. Most of the phenolic compounds, they belong to flavonoids. They are water-soluble compounds and can be extracted with 70% ethanol. Bioflavonoids, they are secreted by plants and they have allopathic effects. Now, for example, this catechin that is present in Camellia sinensis, commonly the green tea, it induces oxidation and cellular death of cells, and therefore it is used in the treatment of cancer. Now, coming to the various histochemical tests for screening of alkaloids in natural drugs. There are 3 tests for detection of alkaloids in natural drugs. The first is Dragendorf's test, the second is Hager's test, and the third is Wagner's test. Now, the first test, that is Dragendorf's test, let us see how the detection is done by using this test. Firstly, 10 gram of herbal powder is taken in a test tube. Then to it, 10 ml of ethyl alcohol is added. The tube is then shaken well to get an alcoholic extract. 2 ml of alcoholic extract is taken in a test tube and 5 ml of distilled water is added to it. Then few drops of hydrochloric acid, they are added to the test tube. Then followed by 1 ml of Dragendorf's reagent is added. Orange or orange-red precipitate is formed. Now, the formation of orange or orange-red precipitate will indicate the presence of alkaloids in the herbal powder. The next test to detect alkaloid in natural drug is Hager's test. Here, 1 gram of herbal powder is taken in the test tube. 10 ml of ethyl alcohol is added to the test tube. The tube is shaken well to get an alcoholic extract. 2 ml of alcoholic extract is taken in a test tube and few drops of Hager reagent is added. Yellow colored precipitate is formed. The formation of yellow precipitate will indicate the presence of alkaloids in the herbal powder. The next test is Wegener's test. 1 gram of herbal powder is taken in the test tube. 10 ml of ethyl alcohol is added to the test tube. The tube is shaken well to get an alcoholic extract. 2 ml of alcoholic extract is taken in a test tube and a few drops of hydrochloric acid are added. Few drops of Wegener's reagent are added to the tube. Yellow-brown colored precipitate is formed. The formation of yellow-brown precipitate will indicate the presence of alkaloids in the herbal powder. Next are the histochemical tests for screening of flavonoids in natural drugs. To detect flavonoids in the natural drug, the test is called as Shinoda test. This is how it is performed. 1 gram of herbal powder is taken in a test tube. 10 ml of ethyl alcohol is added to the test tube. The tube is shaken well to get an alcoholic extract. 2 ml of ethanolic extract is taken in a test tube and treated with 5 ml of ethanol. Next, 10 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the solution, and also a piece of magnesium is added to the solution. There will be red or pink color which will be developed in the solution. So the formation of red or pink color will indicate the presence of flavonoids in the crude drug. These are the references. Thank you.